Welcome to Rottweiler Dog Life. Today's a very special day. We're going to treat our 4 Rottweilers. My husband made them a lovely pork loin chop here. So every now and then we treat them, give them special treat.
Right, so let's treat our doggies. Let's do it.
Yes. Shiva, Storm, sit. Los. Three. Good girls. Sit.
That's good.
Good girl. One, 2, 3. Good girl. Enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our content, please do subscribe and leave a comment. For more content, make sure to check us out next week. We'll see you there.